Okay, this time we will do a simple exercise using for loops. So basically saying we're going to write a program that prompts the user to enter this number. Then loop should iterate 5 times. And then gives a learning total of number enter. It means that we need to use a scanner class to get input. I assume that either is integer or double. So let me start with the simple flowchart. It's a good idea to visualize how the program will work, so you can design your simple solution or solution algorithm using flowcharts. So we have an input. Decision is based on say it iterate 5 times. And we have a process. Total of the number enter. Then here, if it's not, we will print result. Then end our program. So start and end. Okay, for input we need a number, default value 0. And then also we need a total with 0. It says that 5 times, so it means we may have a number 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Then you may have 150. So we are talking about here 10 plus 20 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50. That means we have to add up numbers. We are not assigning new value, so it should be plus equal for the process. Then output we print total 150. So how many times do we repeat? Start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, less than 5, so 5 times. So we need to have initial value I equal to 0. I just put it outside. For process, we say total plus equal to number. Then I plus plus. So we can move to next iteration or getting next number. Five times. Until we get the total, okay? So it means 10 plus 20, and then add up 30, add up 40, 50, until we get 150. It's adding up. So this way total plus equal to number. If the condition is true, we add numbers to total. If it's not, we exit the conditional statement. Okay, let's create a new Java application project. Okay, let me type the exercise question again. Okay, let me start with the typing input process output. I'll deal with the integer value number equal to 0. You can change to double if you want. Int total equal to 0. We need a control variable for loop conditions. So I equal to 0. There will be 5 times eventually. Okay, the first one I will use while loop. Less than 5. You can type S out and then press tab key. Number, you need scanner methods to get standard input. Import scanner class. Then here input dot next int. Total is plus equal to number. Then we move to next number, one next iteration, I plus plus. Here we just printed out total of 5 numbers entered. Okay, that's all. Let me type 10 to 50. Answer should be 150. I will change to print. Because it's clear initial value and then number of repetitions is known, we can use the for loop. And then condition is less than 5, I plus plus. Then you should comment it out. Sorry, line number 35. Again, answer is same. Let me make a comments for loop, then demonstrate the while loop. User do and the while less than 5, you need to show that you add a semicolon. Also, we need a control variable I++. Again, answer is same. You should be able to use do while or while loop. Let me repeat, copy paste it, and then make it a solution 1, 2, 3. So when you run solution 1, you need to comment out solution 2 and 3, and so on. Please look at carefully what I'm trying to remove. While loop, we need a while, then loop body. So here we remove those two source code. Then I will keep 2 while, 3 for loop. Again, for loop, you don't need a I++. This will be solution 2 using for loop. I will make it clear using the while loop. Okay, let me quickly check. While loop, okay. For loop, remove that. Okay, let me remove I++ with this in for loop. We already have it. So when you run these programs, you can comment out solution 2 and 3. So you can try with solution 1. You can comment out solution 1, then uncomment solution 2, then you can try. I think that's all. Thank you.